great hall, the 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 great hall. Trophy of what I got. You want a trophy that you can put in a jar? Really?
I know it can get a little slippery up here because John has been taking logs down.
To the wild time thrown on the Cobra Delusion. We gotta go, the dog's moving on. I just picked some yellow flowers because I also picked the roots of the yellow flowers. Was that funny? Was that funny? Why? Guess what? Can you see me? I'm in the meadow, right? See Starkey, Buttercup or something? It's not that big of a deal, okay? If you can someone see me, that would be the best thing ever. This is just fun. You don't have to worry about me. What is this?
Daisy.
That's a big daisy. She's still over there.
Yeah, they probably are.
That is so crazy. Can we wait at the Great Hall or something?
Are you recording a bird?
We gotta go!
Okay.
No, that's
Is that a bird app you have
not
on?
hiring.
Yeah.
Down here. Now let's run!
Okay.
Run, let's run!
Got your running feet on, Nick?